Hey, are you looking for a SAMcart alternative and paying lots of money on SAMcart like a software for just your checkout need? Then you should hear me out and watch this video till end. I'm going to share the two native of SAMcart that definitely gonna save you lots of money and you will be getting amazing features. I have pasted a link of both software in the description. Go check out and feel free to use any of this. Now let me over to my screen and showcase you two alternatives. So first alternative is a SAMcart. It is been there in the industry since long and providing awesome features than SAMcart as well as saving lots of money. Like SAMcart is asking you to pay money on basis of your revenue and it increases as much as your business grow. And to me it doesn't sound good, because if you are a seasoned entrepreneur and have lots of business revenue, then paying this much money is not that much big deal. But if you are the small creator and want to use it, then paying recurrent money is not worth. So in that case, ThriveCart is best because it is providing one-time payment option. Let me walk you through quick comparison side by side how ThriveCart and Samcart differ, so that you can take concrete decision whether to stay with Samcart or ThriveCart. So I'm here on the ThriveCart website. You will land on this website as soon as you click on the ThriveCart link mentioned in the description. So as I mentioned, ThriveCart is offering one-time payment for lifetime access, whereas the Samcart, the base plan is starting at $79 per month. While pricing of a ThriveCart is pretty simple. They have a standard plan, ThriveCart Pro Plus plan, as well as ThriveCart Bundle plan. So I'm here on the ThriveCart pricing page. You can see ThriveCart have a standard plan, Pro Plus plan. Also, they have a unlimited plan, but it is not mentioned here. You can grab that, no worry. So their basic plan starts with a $4.95 one-time payment, and this is a lifetime access plan with 0% transaction fee and 24/7 sales support. Other than that, they have a Pro Plus plan with lots of amazing features and so many customization available in this plan. Samcart, you need to pay monthly $79 now. Other than that, the revenue-based pricing, that ThriveCart is not charging you based on the revenue. As I showed you, Samcart is charging you based on the revenue. There is a no transaction fee in the ThriveCart. Also, Samcart is not having any transaction fee. Checkout customization, ThriveCart pages are fully checkout customizable. In Samcart, you get a flexible layout, templates, and moderate customization. There is a one-click upsell and downsell included in both Samcart as well as in the ThriveCart. Order bumps, there is a single order bump available in the ThriveCart and up to 6 in Pro Plus plan, but in the Samcart have included. There is no limitation of how many bumps you can use. They have just mentioned it is available there. There is no concrete answer whether single or multiple. Subscription management is available in ThriveCart with advanced recurrent billing and turning. However, in Samcart, subscription saver and basic management is available. Sales funnel is built in ThriveCart, while in the Samcart basic funnel is available. Native built-in split testing of A/B testing available in the ThriveCart, while there is a rotate between control and variation pages to test the conversion in the Samcart. Card abandonment recovery, it is built in both the softwares. Affiliate management integrated in the ThriveCart Pro Plus, while in Samcart it is available. Courses and content hosting. ThriveCart now recently launched ThriveCart Academy. Earlier this used to have a ThriveCart Learn and Learn Plus. Now it is a ThriveCart Academy, which have more features and offerings than the ThriveCart Learn. While in Samcart it's only a course builder with a video hosting, quizzes, and drip content. There is no other automation available. In ThriveCart you get a drip content option like an instant trial based, reveal based, but in Samcart this drip content option is only date based scheduling. Custom integration with Zapier, API, webhooks, direct integration available in ThriveCart. While in the Samcart integration engine with API, webhook, and native integration is available. Multiple payment option. ThriveCart is offering multiple payment options with Stripe, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, authorized.net, buy now, pay later features as well there. So if your customer don't have a money right now, they can use the buy now, pay later feature. And I believe this is best feature to convert more audience, and anyone who don't have a right now money, they can even buy your product via ThriveCart landing pages. While this feature is not available in the Samcart, but they are offering zero processing fee for a preferred processor, and those include Stripe, PayPal, Smart Pay, stored content, credit cards are available in both ThriveCart as well as in the Samcart. Payment routing is connected and routed between multiple processors in the ThriveCart, while in Samcart route payments between multiple processors. Revenue limits, there is no revenue limit in the ThriveCart. As soon as you purchase ThriveCart, you can use it unlimited time and unlimited duration, while in the Samcart, the price and the plans are locked behind your revenue. So if your revenue is increasing, then price is also increased. So here you can see that for, let's say, 50,000 K is your monthly revenue, then you need to pay $499 per month, which is too costly than a ThriveCart one-time payment. You get a support in ThriveCart 24/7, while live support is available in SAM only as an add-on, and you need to pay $19 per month, which is very stupid thing. If you ask me, it is charging you for support, then there is no use, even if you are not also asking for support, because every time you did not have to get support, but you still have to pay $90 per month, and this is adding a cost on your budget. Ownership, lifetime access, no penalties for the success in ThriveCart, while the subscription is based on the revenue. So this is what the ThriveCart. So second software, which is a great alternative of Samcart, is System.io. System.io is there since long in the market, and they have a pretty good audience base and have a unlimited lots of features like email marketing, funnel builder, multi-step funnels, website builder, marketing automation, booking calendar. Even now they have provided online digital store so that you can sell digital products in a very advanced way. So let's see whether Samcart is good or System.io is good. So with Samcart, you are getting a free plan with 2000 contact, unlimited marketing, email, sales funnel, online courses, affiliate program. While in Samcart, you need to pay $79 per month. This is not updated here. This is old pricing of Samcart. You cannot try Samcart just for the sake of simplicity and then decide whether you want to go with a Samcart or not. Sales funnel is available in system.io, while in Samcart it is not. Deadline funnel is available in system.io. In Samcart it is not available. Emails, you can set unlimited in system.io, but in Samcart those are only transaction based. So here you can see most of the features are not available with this Samcart, like email campaigns, blog post. Then you don't have automation rule, workflows, tags, something like that. And with system.io, you get all unlimited features and pretty amazing things like automation, tagging, multi-step funnel, deadline funnel. So you can see that for even upsell, you need not have to pay any money in system.io, but in Samcart, you need to pay $99 per month. Order bump, same case with the Samcart. Stripe integration available in both. A/B testing, you need to pay $199 per month for A/B testing. System.io is not charging anything for A/B testing. Coupon code is available in both. You can run your affiliate program, but Samcart is charging $199 per month. You can connect your custom domain in both of the software. So if you want to save your money, then go check the link of system.io as well as ThriveCart and see whether it is good for you and take a constructive decision. Believe these both software will definitely save you lots of money. And if you have any questions about system or ThriveCart or Samcart alternative to Samcart shopping cart software, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to follow, subscribe, and like this video so that I can create more such video.